Hi guys, I hope you all are good. So in this video, I'm going to cover about to set up your Snowflake account. It is very important to make sure the best possible learning experience what we are doing right now, and so we are going to set up our Snowflake account for our learning to change, and you can do the practice, follow along with our video series and you can apply your changes, you can do more practice in that. So let's begin on to set up your set up the account on the Snowflakes. So it is pretty easy, it's not rocket science. So you have to be go to the official website. So already sharing my screen, you can see here the snowflakes.com. You can just hit Google search it and you can get it this page. In the right corner you can see here there the start for free. Just hit this button and just you can see the another page will be appear in front of you, and that is it just look like this page. Might be the time change, it will uh, the appearance of the web UI is going to be changed, but it's similar kind of you can find along. So you need to fill all the information here. The it's asking for the first name, last name, and the email ID. Email ID is it is your email ID. It's not asking for you have to provide your company ID or you any ID. Just whatever ID is active ID you're using that you can fill here, and fill all the information and hit the click button. So on the next once you click the continue button, it will the page will appear like that, and it opened this page. It's a 30-day trial. Whenever you register any of the Snowflake's account, it is valid for the 30 days, because and 30 days with including 400 hour of storage, $400 of storage. So you it is coming when you first time you are registering on the Snowflake's website. So let's begin on this one. So once you click the hit the continue button, it one another page will come open and saying that company name, job title, and here you can see the cloud provider, Microsoft Azure, AWS, and uh, Google storage account. So those are the um, um, cloud provider. It cover everything here. So this is the company. If you are, let's say, you are a student, you are not working right now, so you can just fill any of the information. It is mandatory field, so you cannot skip the company name. Just fill the company name and just hit the get started. Before moving to the next slide, you can see there is the option here. Choose your Snowflake edition, right? What that mean? I'm going to share the next window. So if you see here, there are the three kind of the Snowflakes edition is available. One is just standard, second one is enterprise, and the third one is business critical. A standard you can also imagine. Standard is kind of uh, it is not coming all the features. The features will be less for that. But if you talk about the enterprise additional feature you will get, and the business critical is you can get all the features of Snowflakes, and you can play around, you can start working and a professional, and you can, as per the company requirement, as per the company need, we have to be decide these what environment sufficient for your for your for your work. So it's totally depend on your requirement. And these are the billings is cost. So the costing and the billing I will cover in the next lectures and next videos. I will cover those things as well. So if you see here, the cloud provider, we have a AWS and those things. So I'm going to select for our learning purpose. I'll select the AWS, and you can see the region is available. So I'm selecting the US. US is North Virginia. So it's it is depend where your customer, where your user are mostly using the snowflakes, where the user is retrieving the data. So that based on that, you have to be select the region. It is very important, very critical, because it's a performance, right? So if let's say your users and your customer are present in the US and you are selecting the, let's say, the India or some other region, so it will impact the when we are retrieving the data. So that's impact. So you have to be you vigilant, and you need to be select the region based on your requirement and based on your the user and the most of the businesses where the business uh, is yours. So you have to be select the region like that and click the checkbox and and hit the get started one the button. Then after that you can see the another window will come appear in front of you, and it's asking for some other another information. So I selected the Python and SQL, and you can also skip if you don't want to fill any information. Just skip, hit the skip button, and if you click the skip button, the it will go it will not going to ask next window and all the information. So I already, if in next window I am going to skip the hit button, I selected that one. And another the information there, the snowflakes, these are the feedback section. So you can skip as far. If you want to fill, you can fill. If you want to skip, you can skip it. So I'm going to skip these on all information. I'm not going to provide here. So once I skip, you can see the another window appear, and I have I have created my account, and you can see it is asking for go to the Gmail account to activate your Snowflake account. So I'm moving to my Gmail account, so to activate and set up our user ID and the password. So here here you can see you can receive your whatever the email ID you have provided. On that email ID you will receive this kind of email, and in that email you can see the click to active, and you can, this is URL is saying that save it for the later. I will explain you what is the purpose of this one, but for now you just just hit the click to active button, and once you click that, the it will land in this page, and it is asking for fill your choose your email ID and the password. So based on your password and whatever you can remember, so those password you can fill, and your user ID will be your own choice. Just create it, and just and after that you can see then in the next when you hit the button, you can see it appear this window. And you just I'm not filling anything here. I'm just clicking the hit the skip now button, and it will so after skipping this kind of a window will appear in front of you. So as of now, we already set up our Snowflake account, and all of the features I will going to cover in the next videos, and I will go one by one tab, and I'll explain going to explain you every every pointer and all kind of information I'm going to provide you. But to ending this video, you can see here the dollar amount 400 worth of the credits are given by the snowflakes for our practice, and it is very sufficient to do complete our practice. So guys, in the next video I'm going to cover all the information, and I'm going to explain all the tabs, what is the purpose of those things. So before moving to our actual practice and the query writing and our data warehouse setup, we have to be understand all the feature of the snowflakes. So thank you so much guys, um, to watching us, and it is, and if you like this video, please do subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you so much for your patiently listening to me. Thank you so much. We'll connect later. Thank you.